How to factory reset your Android device. This tutorial shows you how to completely wipe and reset your Android device back to its original settings. First, make sure to back up any important data before proceeding, as a factory reset will erase everything on your device. After that, open your Android settings and scroll down. From there, tap on General Management. At this point, tap on Reset from the list. In the next step, tap on Factory Data Reset. Following this, scroll down to review the list of everything that will be erased from your device. Once done, scroll to the bottom and tap on Reset. From here, you may be prompted to enter your PIN, pattern, or password to verify your identity before continuing. At this stage, enter your credentials and tap on Continue to proceed. After this, tap on Delete All to confirm that you want to completely wipe the device. Finally, your device will now begin the reset process and will restart automatically. This may take a few minutes, so keep your device charged and do not turn it off during the process. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you factory reset your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.